Hello, thank you for joining me. This is a quick tutorial for a way to open up, boom, some movement through your ribs. So, I'm going to use a pole for this. You do not need to use a pole if you do not have a pole. You could totally use stall bars. You could use the edge of a rig, whatever you've got. But like I said, I am going to use a pole. So I'm going to come so that my extended leg, which in my case is my right leg, is in front of the pole. I'm going to take my right forearm on the pole. And I like to do this so that my hand is kind of reaching towards this left knee. I might even brace my hand on my shin. I'm going to take my left hand overhead. Oh, that feels so nice. Now, I'm going to do that in such a way that my thumb is wrapping down the pole and my elbow is orienting up towards the ceiling. Now, as I breathe, I'm going to inhale into my left ribs. I'm going to exhale. Just let everything soften. Inhale into the left ribs. Exhale. Let everything soften. I'm keeping some action through my right elbow, which is pressing into my right thigh, and my right hand, which is pulling into my left shin. And then go ahead and release. Oh. Take a moment, see how your two sides feel. They might feel rather different. And then if you'd like, go ahead and switch sides. Give that a try and see how it goes. Thank you.